Today, we are going to talk about the hidden world within you, your gut microbiome. Your gut is teeming with a complex community of microorganisms. This community is referred to as the gut microbiome. It is so important to the makeup of your body that it is often called the second genome, and it plays a crucial role in your overall health, digestion, immunity, and even your mental health, right down to your mood. Understanding this vast community of microorganisms can empower you to make informed choices that support your health from the inside out. Today, we'll explore what the gut microbiome is and how you developed your microbiome. So, what is the gut microbiome? It's an intricate system composed of trillions of microorganisms. In a healthy gut, they live in harmony within your digestive tract. These microorganisms can actually outnumber your human cells by a ratio of 10 to 1. Think about that for a second. Your body is actually made up of 10 times more microbial cells than it is made up of human cells. And your microbiome is as unique to you as your fingerprints. Check it out. There are trillions of microbes that make up your gut microbiome. The vast amount of these tiny powerhouses highlights their potential impact on your health, and they include bacteria, viruses, and fungi. There are over 1,000 different species of bacteria alone in the microbiome. Variety of microbes is crucial because they are tasked with performing different jobs within the body, breaking down food, delivering nutrients to the body, regulating the immune system, producing short-chain fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and play a role in energy metabolism. These tiny helpful critters can be found throughout the digestive tract, but they mostly hang out in the large intestine where they ferment undigested carbohydrates, they produce essential vitamins, and protect your body against harmful pathogens. You may wonder how the gut microbiome is created. It is established early in life and continues to evolve over time. Your initial colonization of your gut microbiome began at birth. If you were born vaginally, then you were exposed to your mother's vaginal and fecal microbiota. This is where the seeds of your gut microbiome are planted from the start. If your mother has a healthy microbiome, you will be blessed with healthy doses of microbes right from the start. However, if your mother happens to have a vaginal infection at the time of your birth, like a candida overgrowth, which is a common infection, and it sometimes doesn't even have any symptoms, then your microbiome will be seeded with candida right at birth. The microbiome is one reason why so many health challenges can run in families, even when they are not genetic. If you were born via C-section, then you acquire your microbes from whatever you come in contact with: the skin of your parents, the doctors and nurses that hold you, the hospital environment. Being born by C-section leads to an increased risk of dysbiosis, which is just a fancy word for an imbalance or disruption of the microbiome. Dysbiosis causes chronic issues like constipation, diarrhea, gas, and bloat, and can lead to more complex gut and autoimmune issues in the future. During infancy, breastfeeding also plays a critical role in shaping a robust gut microbiome. Breast milk contains beneficial bacteria and oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides are a type of carbohydrate chain that has been seen to enhance the immune system and improve digestion and act as a prebiotic for healthy microbes. Prebiotics are what feed the microbes and make them healthy. This helps you to develop healthy bacteria in your gut as an infant. As a child, you begin to eat solid foods, which introduces a much more diverse community of microbes to your gut. In general, a more diverse microbe community leads to greater health. The introduction of different food types further shapes the composition of the microbiome. The healthier the foods, the healthier the microbiome. By adulthood, your gut microbiome usually becomes relatively stable, assuming you have lived a healthy lifestyle, eaten a healthy diet, and your gut has not taken too many assaults to it. However, it continues to be influenced by your diet, lifestyle, and environment. As we age, it is common to have a decrease in the diversity of your microbes. These changes can lead to increased inflammation, a weakened immune system, and more unpleasant gut symptoms like constipation, diarrhea, gas, and bloating. However, this does not have to be the case. So, what influences the gut microbiome? The composition of your health and the gut microbiome are influenced by several factors. Your genetic makeup does play a role in determining the baseline composition of your gut microbiome. However, it is just a single piece to the puzzle. So much of our microbiome is influenced by your environment and your lifestyle. The food you consume plays one of the most critical roles in influencing the health of your gut microbiome. Foods that are rich in fiber, fruits, vegetables, and fermented foods support a diverse and healthy microbiome. On the other hand, diets high in processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats can promote the growth of harmful bacteria. Your environment also influences your microbiome. Exposure to different microbes in your environment, such as through soil, pets, and plants, can introduce new species to your gut. Also, excessive exposure to toxins can kill off healthy microbes and allow the unhealthy microbes to flourish. We are exposed to toxins through the air we breathe, the water we drink, cleaning products we use, what we put on our bodies, makeup, lotions, and other skin and hair care products, pesticides, heavy metals, and so on. Most of us are exposed to thousands of toxins daily. Also, your lifestyle choices influence your microbiome. Things like physical activity, stress levels, quality of sleep, hygiene practices, and even the health of your relationships can play a role in shaping your gut microbiome for better or for worse. Next week, we will dive into more detail about the essential health functions of the gut microbiome. We will explore how it influences your immune system, helps regulate your metabolism, and how it impacts your mental health. By understanding the trillions of organisms that make up your gut microbiome and the factors that influence it are fundamental to taking control of your health. By making healthy choices that are right for you based on where your health is currently can make all the difference in restoring your health. What is right for you may not be the same thing as what is right for someone else. You may benefit from a strict carnivore diet for a few months or an extreme elimination diet, or you may be someone who needs to add in more fruits, fresh fruits and veggies right away. What worked for you a year ago may not be working for you now, and what works for a friend may not be right for you. This is why it's so important to listen to your body and learn how your body works so you can navigate the next right step. To fast track your progress, you may choose to get a trusted advisor involved to help you figure out your next step to establishing a healthy gut microbiome.